Hey guys, welcome back. I'm my channel. Today I am gonna be showing you some different slimes, and I advise the kids don't put slime in your hair, eyes or mouth. They could kill you. You could go to the hospital, who knows. So let me take off my gloves because these are very sticky slimes. So these are so perfect. And we're not going to start with all of them are slime. We're just going to show you these things first. I like these things. These are good for kids, not for kids shouldn't play with slime. They should use this. I advise kids to play with this because this is much better. But still you can't eat this, kids. Because this smells like glue to me, you know. Okay, moving on to the next color. There's gonna be different slimes, guys. These are ice cream slimes, normal slimes, and these ones. And there's gonna be these. And we're done with these slimes. So first we need to start with this slime. Guys, you can actually see it, you could poke it. So let me show you. This is not Pokemon. If it's Pokemon, it would be better. And look at that, guys. It's kissing. Ew. That's weird. Is it gonna kiss the slime? Okay, that's cool. Oh my goodness, I just ripped his eyeballs off. Okay. We got him out. You take his lips. Yeah. Okay. So this is squeezable, guys. We can put it in here and let's move into the next one. The next one is gonna be the blue one. I am gonna be actually seeing you guys in my glass. This one you could actually feel the slime. So let's move on to the last one and this one. And we have another one like it, but it has different things. It's the same as it, but like has different things. So look at this. This is the same, but it's not. It's yellow and it has an eyeball, so that's boring of yellow eyeballs. Let's move on. Day to day. This is the same one, but it has different shapes. I wouldn't want to play with it. And we have basic slimes. These are basic. Okay, let's open the new package. Let me show it. These are the most basic slimes I ever seen in the world. Okay, let me get one out. Get them here, guys, and you'll see how they're basic. Cause just use your hand, but I'm not gonna. What? What? Whoa! Whoa! I'm saying whoa because these are feeling good, but you can't rip them. So that's the problem. Good. Okay. Move on to the next one. We have white, but we're not gonna reveal all of them. I just reveal the green. Okay? Because these are boring. Let's move on to the better slimes. Sorry. Let's go to the most ever amazing slimes. There's half of them there. Okay. So I'm gonna probably not make you wear your gloves. I'm telling you, these are amazing. Look at that. Woo! But these are weird slimes. You could actually do this. You could actually, okay, sorry guys. There might have been a cut just because I just did something wrong. I just revealed something wrong, so I made a cut. But that's alright, you guys. Okay, no, don't fall. Because these are the most stickiest slimes I ever seen. And on to the last slime, guys. The last slime. I can't show you all of the slime. I'll just show you the yellow, please. I want to show you the yellow.